Okay, we need an opinion on this framing right here. We are particularly right now trying to figure out these top boards. So, this first board, I'm short, I can't reach it, but this first board ends right there, okay? And then above it, that's the ceiling up there, okay? Above it, this is what's going on. This board is pretty good until we get here. And then it gets good again over in this corner. We want to know if we can, I guess they call it scab it or marry in strong pieces to some or any of this, so we have to pull it all down. These we can replace if we need to pretty easily, especially down there, but we'll talk about that later.